Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn about rotate right instruction of 8086 microprocessor in assembly language, and we will be using EMU8086 environment for this purpose. Right. So let's see the format of the instruction, which is rotate right. Then we will be using what D is what destination operand, comma count. It is more or less similar what we have discussed in rotate left. So it will be easy if you have seen that tutorial. Rotate right means we will be shifting or rotating it towards right. Okay, that means from the right side data will be coming out, and that data will be paired back to the destination operand from the left side or the from the most significant side. Let's take an example program to understand it further. So move AX, 9E78. This is the data we are feeding in AX register, and then we are feeding a value. Move CL, 02. That means 02 is fed in CL register, and then we are rotating the value of the register AX by the value of the count equals to CL. So rotate right AX, CL. Right. So the AX value will be rotating right by 2 units because CL value is what 2. Let's test this program manually, and then we will test it in EMU86 emulator. So AX is basically what is 9E78 hex, and if I'm going to convert it into binary, it will become what 10001, and then it will become E will be 1110, 7 will be 0111, and 8 will be 1000. Okay, since I'm going to rotate right, that means I have to rotate towards this side. Let me show you this side. So we have to shift towards this side or rotate towards this side, and by 2 units. So these two zeros will be eliminated. So what is going to happen? Our number will become basically what 0. Sorry, let me write from the left side. So it will become what 10001, 1110, 01111, and 1 and 0. Okay, so two zeros are eliminated from the right side, and those two zeros will come back from the left side. Okay, now we will group them again for the purpose of hexadecimal conversion. So if we can convert them in the groups of 4 bits, 0010, that will be 0111, 1001, 1110. So if I'm going to convert it, it will become 2. 0111 means 7, 1001 means 9, and 1110 means E. So this is the result we expect in AX register after this running this code, right? So let's emulate this code. Single step, we can see that 9E78 is loaded successfully. Then 02 is loaded in CL register, and now I'm going to do it. Yes, you can see that 279E, which is the rotated value of AX by 2 units or 2 bits. I hope you have understand this instruction. Still, if you have any confusion or query, you can post your queries and comment section. Thank you so much for listening.